this selling seafood, make beer or something like that. Getting Indian, getting AC, come, open this. Okay, the light off. Okay, see the light. This is outside light. Okay, see. This hardwood. Make some fish or something you can make here. See? I don't know about too much cooking, but I know how to use it. Maybe very bad cooking. Oh, this is great. Yeah. See, it's writing the Chinese smoking lights. Okay. And this is skin. We can give to you if you purchase now. Yeah, it's no problem. Okay. You know about like this car price? This price online now is around $8,000 US. But if you want to purchase now, we can give you discount. Just what I saw. What I see. Okay.
Yes, $800. $800. It's equal to I think nearly 50% discount. That's a very good discount. Okay. Just by this. Okay. Please give me a camera. By this food truck, I would like to share some other idea about our food truck business. Like you say, this is topic is for the seafood. That's what I say. You also need to think by your food truck business, what you can offer to your customer. If you can offer some special for your customer, even some other cannot offer, you will be make your money. So if you have some unique offering to your customer, I think you can consider to own your food truck to begin it. So that's what I wanted to share the second idea. The first idea is you need to have a strong concept. Okay, Mr. Animang.
Yes, we need it. You know the business. Now, if you have a good idea and a good car over there, you can go very good business.
You can put your idea and your mind in your food truck.
Yeah. And make your dream. Give us, we can give you your protection.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, we see this. Okay. Nice. Okay, this is like try, but nice. The finger is one of the three. Okay. Oh, this is a finger. Yeah. We make some cheese. Yeah. Oh, this is the hot dog.
Yeah.
We should make some water inside. Yeah. We can put. If this is you want, which step we can change for you, and we can make the electronic water all system will be complete and good. Not some small company. Another. Okay. Well, this is not similar to other company. This is real. Okay, one second. Oh, wait. Medium. Yeah, okay. No problem. Maybe the power is less. Okay, you just close with me. Yes, our sense, the material is better than another company because we're using the good supplier. That's why maybe the price little high, but the quality is nice. When you want from us, you told me your request, we will give you the good protection. Okay, Okay, Michael. Okay.
Okay. Maybe